Hey guys, a little bit taller than average size person, a gamer here, and today we're going to be playing some Legacy of Discord. Just like my new video is going to be, my next video is going to be the infamous New York Dumpster, a bootleg GTA. But let's start this amazing game here. Man, this game's just the best in the world here. Probably better than most computer games. Okay, let's check this out. Oh, recharge reward. Let's see my mystic. Oh, yes, look at this. Let's see what I get. Oh man, what about my legendary? Let's see. Oh crap. Okay, well, let's see the wrath tie. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh damn, look at that Lambo. That Lambo. Well, guys, let's do this mission here. Oh, I got my... Oh, I don't want to do that. Oh, there we go. Leveled that shit up. Okay. No, I don't want to do that. Let's go. Oh man, look at that. Let's go on the mission now. Okay. Look at that. This is an elite mission only for the top 10 anime character elite like edition. Dun, 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 dun. Bon, j'ai gagné. Beyblade, Beyblade, let it rip. Bon sang. Wala. Oh, it's a boss man. Oh god. That boy looked like he could pack a punch. Dun, 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 dun. I'm still having so much fun recording this video. Oh man, he punched me. Ultimate attack, Satan Star. Dun, 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 dun. Lightning strike, ultimate attack, pull, dash. Dun, 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 dun. Beyblade, charge. Dodge. Death. Oh crap. I need to do something quickly. Let's go.